Welcome back to the channel. I had the opportunity to check out the Casio ProTrek watch at IFA, and I had the opportunity also to check out the latest version of Wear OS that was announced at the same time. This is TK and this is Pocketnow and XDA. The ProTrek definitely has a very unique design. It comes in 3 colors, and the main benefit that we get here is the mil-spec 810G certification that we have on this smartwatch, and a capability of actually going down up to 50 meters below water. You're going to be getting the best experience on a smartwatch using Wear OS to date, as Google announced the latest version of Wear OS at the same time as this watch. Although this watch will not be available till early next year, and hopefully with an updated CPU, what we promised at this point is a very good, unique experience. The water rating that we have on this watch is very nice. We have a proprietary adapter that's magnetically connecting to the actual watch on the side, but the entire watch is waterproof and water sealed. It's intended to be in the outdoors. We're talking also the capability of actually having offline maps into a watch that you can carry with you. So that's a really big functionality. Casio is claiming up to 30 days of battery life on this watch, and it's capable of doing this by using the monochrome display. The 2 displays that we have here essentially is a monochrome display and a color display. And if you stick to the monochrome display with limited functionality, it can actually go up to 30 days. General usage is going to be about 1.5 days, and mixed usage between that and the monochrome display, you're able to go up to 3 to 4 days on a single charge. The lack of a heart rate monitor may not be for everybody, but the fact is that this watch is intended to be a beast. You can take it outdoors, use it for any type of sport. It is sealed and it has a very high mil-spec rating on it. It feels great in the hand. I had the opportunity to play with it while walking around at IFA, and I want to say that it's definitely one of the next watches I would love to be able to check out. The latest version of Wear OS will be coming to this watch, and it was definitely demoed on one of the units we had on the show floor. Transitions were very nice, very smooth, very fluid. We had the assistant in its own kind of like a Google Now, similar to that on the left side, and as well as a better notification access from the bottom up and more toggles from the top. Overall, a lot of good optimizations done on a really good built watch that is intended to be outdoors. You have offline maps, really good application support as you can expect. The only thing that I noticed about this watch that was missing was a heart rate sensor. So if that's something that was really a need for you, you may want to consider looking at this watch and consider all the positives and see if that actually ends up being a good fit for you. Availability for the watch is going to be in early 2019. As far as pricing, we weren't able to get a direct price from them, but overall I'm really excited about this new ProTrek watch from Casio and the new features that we're getting with the Wear OS update that's coming down. Let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think of the ProTrek watch from Casio? I'm personally very excited. I like the color options. We have a blue, an orange, and a black one, and of course I would have wished for this to be available a lot sooner than January of 2019. This is TK. I want to say thank you very much for the support. Like and subscribe as usual. Keep it here with us from IFA for all the coverage that we're providing to you guys. Check out my channel, and I'll see you guys in the near future.